Biodiversity loss. This is the systematic disappearance of biological species of insects, plants, fungi, animals, coral, everything that's living. The loss of our non-human relatives is a direct result of this elimination, destruction, and desecration of ecosystems resulting from extractive industries, logging, mining, and so on, leading to the pollution of land, the water, the fouling of our air, the climatic shifts as a result of global warming that are eliminating, altering, and even moving entire habitats. Indigenous lands are home to 80% of the world's biodiversity. It's not an accident. You'll find many indigenous communities who are still practicing their ancestral land management practices. Dryland farming, hybridizing certain corn plants that actually matures in 60 to 90 days as opposed to 120 days and actually requires less water. Tepary beans that actually produce more beans with less moisture. Low-level burns, which decrease the biomass load, which results in less destructive fires. If we continue to ignore biodiversity loss, we're going to exponentially choke our planet. When we choke our planet, we're going to choke all the fungi, the plants, the animals, the insect relatives, and the ability to drink clean water, to grow our food, to breathe clean air. Humanity has forgotten its original instructions to be stewards of these lands, to take care of them, and we have to get back to those original instructions, I believe. We need to collectively, as a species, shift our thinking. We can do this if we assume a more concentric-based ecology, if we look at everything around us as our direct relatives, then we will make choices where we act more responsibly to our relatives around us, and as a result, towards each other as a human species. And it's going to take not just people, it's going to require governments on a large scale. Until we can get our governments around the world to shift priorities away from fossil fuels, for example, and more towards alternative energies, away from funding large militaries and towards funding education, then things might start to change.